No, we're going to the shop, Shanana. We need to get some food. Who's in the car? Oh, I don't know who's in the car. So, I'm in the car with the girls. And the little one's singing away too. Sleeping Beauty? I don't know.
A post box!
A post box, yeah. I tried to do this last night, but the camera kind of fell off the stand. I should actually be going out to the shops late, but I've only just found the car. I thought the wife was taking it today. Hey ho. It's 45 minutes till the shop's closed. You're not singing my song, are you? Apparently this is my song. Mine's the Jungle Book songs, are they? Okay. Mine are the jungle songs, okay. This will get told all the time. This is mine, that's mine, this is yours.
How about you sing the jungle songs, Daddy?
I've got to sing the jungle songs, have I?
Yeah.
Do you mind if I don't?
I do want.
Oh. This is more traffic than there was last night. At 2 o'clock in the morning when I tried to film this originally. The camera was pointing pretty much at the footwell after that stopped. And we got this one of these Gorilla Grip things, and it grips, but the neck's a bit broken, apparently. It doesn't hold up very well to any kind of jostling. The weight of the camera is apparently too much for it, and it just kind of flips over. So, trying this on my phone this time. And now it is too hot. Last night I was freezing shit, I started shivering.
That is the jungle boy, Daddy.
It's a jungle boy, is it? Mowgli? You get running commentary from the little one sometimes. You know. Isn't it dismal today? Drizzling all day.
The jungle boy was a little baby, Daddy.
Okay. The jungle boy was a little baby apparently.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then the jungle boy was a big boy.
And then the jungle boy was a big boy.
Yeah.
Whoop, back in slid out a bit there. Always greasy that corner. Too many trucks come round it, I think. A big thick layer of oil and rubber on the corner. Really help. It's easy starting first. And everyone wants to in the same lane at the same time. I hate coming around here sometimes. There's Tesco, it's closed. Well, closed in 15 minutes anyway. I ain't going there. You're going in the trolley, are you? Okie dokie. Why can't I say okie dokie? I'm not saying anything these days. I'm gonna go in there, nasty. Now for some reason, they just built a load of restaurants just here, which is kind of above the car park, and you've got Italian, with
No, you split
Frankie and Benny's, which is American Italian, and Mexican.
Wow.
Oh, Nickers, wrong. Yeah, and KFC.
No. It's no way.
Is it Snow White? And we go again. It's a bit hard doing this holding your phone in one hand and driving. But I don't have any kind of need to click the phone to. So, ooh, speed bumps. Fucking speed bumps. Hopefully I can find a parent and child spot near the top. So I don't particularly want to drag these two halfway around the car park. Parent and child are just here, and it's it's all full as usual. Full. Oh, there's someone on the side. Full. It's rather irritating coming around here sometimes and finding all the parent-child spots full. And you see people getting out the sports cars with a partner. There's absolutely no way they can get anybody else in there. Oh, there's a builder in his van. And you're struggling with two kids in a little spot.
Daddy, yours on Daddy.
It's my bit, is it? I've got to sing this bit, have I? Hey, parent and child spot.
It's yours.
And the world's alright again. Spanking. Right, that's all for now. Goodbye.